41:10. Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you, I will help you, I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. My child, I see the weight you are carrying. I know the battles you are fighting, the fears that keep you awake at night, and the doubts that whisper in your mind. But hear my words. I am with you. I have never left you, and I never will. You do not need to be afraid, because I am your strength. When you feel like you can't go on, I will lift you up. When the path ahead seems uncertain, I will guide your steps. When you are overwhelmed, I will be your peace. The enemy wants you to believe that you are alone, that your prayers go unheard, that your struggles are too great. But I am greater. My power has no